In just 30 days, you could be running your own laundry business. Take a closer look at our power in action. Washer extractor. Powerful washing and high-speed extraction for perfectly clean, ready-to-dry laundry. Tumble dryer. Efficiently dries your laundry with speed, care, and convenience. Vacuum ironing table, ensuring crisp, hygienic finishes for every garment. Flat work ironer, used in commercial laundries to iron and finish large flat linens like bed sheets and tablecloths efficiently. Built in India, backed by experts. Low setup cost, fast ROI, 100 plus units installed. Let's launch your laundry business. Get full setup support from GEI today.